back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today is a recipe video. We shall be making a healthy open sandwich. Let's get started.
So for the open sandwich, we're going to make 3 different spreads. The first one being a garlic hummus, for which in a blender I'm going to add 3/4 cup of boiled chickpeas that I've boiled with a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, to which I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic, some Himalayan pink salt to taste, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder or jeera powder, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a little water. Now we're going to blend this. And our garlic hummus is done. So I've removed it in a bowl and we can keep it aside for now. So next we're going to make our guacamole spread, for which in a blender I'm going to add half an avocado, a tablespoon of lemon juice, few sprigs of coriander, a small green chili. I recommend instead of green chilies you can add couple of jalapenos chopped. That really enhances the flavor of this spread and is more authentic. Followed by 2 cloves of garlic, Himalayan pink salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and now we shall blend it. And our amazing guacamole is ready. Now otherwise we would have added chopped onions and tomatoes to this. However, because our next spread is a salsa, we don't need to. For the salsa in a bowl, we can add 1 finely chopped tomato, 3/4 of an onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped. If you have access to jalapenos instead of green chilies, you can add that here. A tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of finely chopped coriander, Himalayan pink salt to taste, half a teaspoon of stevia powder for sweetness. You can add sweetener of choice, slightly more than a tablespoon of vinegar, and now we can give this a good mix. I'm further going to add 2 pinches of red chili powder to this and mix it really well. And our amazing sweet, sour and spicy salsa is done. So it's finally time to assemble our toppings on the bread. Here I've toasted couple slices of gluten-free bread, on which we're going to spread our garlic hummus, topped with guacamole, and finally our salsa. We can further sprinkle some toasted pumpkin seeds on top here. And our amazing, yummy, healthy open sandwich is done.
Let's taste. Such a delicious sandwich with the 3 different spreads of the garlic hummus, the guacamole and the sweet and sour salsa with the toasted pumpkin seeds on a gluten-free bread. It's yummy. An awesome breakfast dish, I'd say. You can also enjoy it in the evening as a snack. Something really filling and healthy. You must add this to your diet. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this video. If yes, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.